Maria grew up in a humble neighborhood, where opportunities seemed scarce and hope was a luxury few could afford. Her parents worked multiple jobs to make ends meet, but Maria's dreams stretched far beyond her circumstances. At 16, Maria's teacher, Mrs. Thompson, assigned a project that changed her life's trajectory. Mrs. Thompson asked each student to write about their future aspirations. Maria poured her heart onto the pages, describing a life where she owned a successful bakery, bringing joy to her community with every sweet treat. Mrs. Thompson saw something special in Maria and took her aside after class. "Maria, your dreams are worth chasing," she said. "Believe in yourself and you'll make it happen." Those words ignited a fire within Maria. She began baking every day after school, experimenting with recipes and selling her creations to neighbors. Word spread about the sweet genius in the making. Despite facing setbacks and self-doubt, Maria persevered. She applied for scholarships, landed a culinary internship, and eventually opened her own bakery. The aroma of fresh bread and pastries wafted through the streets, drawing in customers from all over. Years later, Maria's bakery became a beloved institution. But more importantly, she established a scholarship fund for underprivileged youth. Inspired by Mrs. Thompson's faith in her, Maria's story served as proof that even the smallest spark of encouragement can fuel a lifetime of purpose and achievement. Lessons from Maria's journey. 1. Dream big. No matter your circumstances, your dreams are valid and worthy of pursuit. 2. Believe in yourself. Self-confidence is the foundation of success. 3. Persevere. Setbacks are temporary, but giving up lasts forever. To pay it forward. Success is sweeter when shared with others. Maria's story reminds us that motivation often starts with a single spark, a supportive word, a daring dream, or an unwavering belief in ourselves. What's your spark?